welcome to all. Today we discuss SNI mechanism and wishes to all happy Raksha Bandhan. So here the SNI mechanism, in case the starting material is here CH and PH downside and methylene on the planar and OH present. So in case here this on this show here easily OH to Cl, that is the retention of configuration. So what is the mechanism is here operate? So in that case here just to use SOCl2 the reagent. So the lone pair of hydrogen attack on sulfur atom. So the oxygen, the minus charge is formed here and this minus charge returns back and Cl remove. So after Cl remove, the structure convert OS double bond O Cl, and here almost the same structure, hydrogen PH Me and plus HCl. The Cl minus remove and H and Cl plus HCl. So in presence acidic solution this bond break. So after this bond break, here the formation is C Me, down bond is down and up bond is up. So the carbocation is formed here and plus O S double bond O Cl. So then this minus charge returns back and Cl removed. Then formation of product is C Me, the downside is down and upside is up. Carbocation is formed here plus S double bond O and Cl minus formed here. So now the intimate ion pair, this one is called intimate ion pair. So then the minus charges attack simply the carbocation and from the product methyl is upward side, phenyl is downward side and hydrogen is here and Cl, retention of configuration. This one is product. So in that case the mechanism is here, first step formation of this adduct formation with HCl, then second step is here, this step is 2 formation of this intimate ion pair, and so this one step is slowest step and this step is fast rapid step, fast step. So here the directly this leaving group Cl attack and C and form the product. So now here the mechanism is totally formation of alkyl chlorosulfite, and then the next step is dissociate slowly intimate ion pair. Then third step is leaving group attach from this site. Now here one of the important question is, in presence SOCl2 form the reaction goes through SNI pathway. Very important question. But in case when we use SOCl2 in presence aqueous OH minus or pyridine, the reaction goes through SN2 pathway. Why? Because here after formation of this product with HCl, here in presence aqueous OH minus pyridine, here the pyridine get the salt formation occur. Here N is the pyridine, in presence HCl formation of pyridinium salt formation occur here. So here NHCl minus plus charge is here and form this type of salt Cl minus. So after formation of this pyridinium HCl complex, here this one form here. So the Cl minus is free here, Cl minus. So this free Cl minus is now one of the very important problem is here. We also discuss. So now this HCl is neutralized. So here this Cl minus is attack on the back side. So this one remove. So in case the intermediate structure, see now the reaction goes through this bond down, this bond up. So here now this one O and S O Cl, delta minus is here, delta minus is here. This one is the intermediate of SN2 reaction. So then the formation is just inversion occur here. So here Me and this down bond pH and the bond is up hydrogen. So when we use some amount of base OH minus pyridine, the reaction goes through SN and gives SN2 product. SN2 product. This one is a inversion product. But in that case here, the reaction when we in absence of base, the reaction goes through SNI pathway. But here one of the important point is here byproduct is HCl. This byproduct in presence pyridine form this type of complex. So after formation of this complex, the Cl minus is free. This Cl minus attack from back side. So when Cl minus attack from back side or through this intermediate and form the product of inversion product, this product is called SN2 product. So in case SN2 pathway, we get inverted product, and in case SNI reaction, then we get retention of configuration. That's very important term. So in case the definition of SNI reaction in a nucleophilic substitution reaction, a part of the leaving group attacks of the carbon site of the substrate and detaches itself from the rest of the leaving group. Such process called, here this line is very important, rest of the leaving group attack second time, rest of the leaving group. Such process called substitution nucleophilic or SNI reaction. This one is the definition part. Now is the problem is here the OH minus in presence which product form, and here in presence of OH minus, so CCl, we just draw the hydrogen upside and methyl downside, and C here Et2OH is our substrate. So C Et and in presence base O minus form. This O minus attack on this carbon. So after attack here form a product CO and then C ethyl, and here this one is inverted. So the inversion of product is Me. So after formation of this product, here is the first inversion on that step, and second step is here OH minus attack through this side. So this bond is break. So after attack OH minus, this one is inverted. So the inverted product is hydrogen upside and methyl is the downside is methyl, and OH attack from this side, and here C Et2 O minus is here. So in presence of water, this one is second inversion, this one is second inversion, and then the in presence water, this COH and the hydrogen downside is methyl, and here C Et2OH is formed. So the product formation is just retention of configuration. Product formation is retention of configuration. Product formation is, so when we get when we use OH minus in this substrate, we get retention of configuration product. So we can easily say that this chlorine replaced with OH through NGP reaction. So this one is a very important. So when we use OH minus in presence base, this hydrogen abstract, and then this hydrogen abstract, then the minus charge this form. These minus charge attack through backside carbon, and then when the attack through backside carbon, from the inversion of product, this 2 1 is inverted, and then when the OH minus attack through this side, this 2 bond is inverted. So after double inversion, we get the retention of configuration product. We can easily say that the NGB mechanism. Total we cover 3 topics: SNI reaction, this one is retention, and then the some type of problem, SNI reaction, and then NGB retention. These 3 covered on this discussion.